If you're planning your next book, don't just guess the title, topic, or niche. Use Publisher Rocket first. I start every book with keyword research inside Rocket. I type in a general topic like self-help for women or gratitude journal, and Rocket tells me how many people are searching that, how competitive it is, and even how much other books in that space are making. If I see a keyword with high searches but low competition, that will be my next book idea. I build the title, subtitle, even the structure of the content around that keyword. Why? Because I already know people are looking for it. Then I use Rocket's category tool to find low competition categories so I can actually rank and get noticed. Want to do the same? Click the link in the description and get Publisher Rocket. It's helped me go from random publishing to targeted bestsellers, and it will do the same for you.